So, hello, we are all the way from Madurai, Tamil Nadu, from Queen Mira International School. I'm Suhail Asad Ahmed. This is Tamil Kumaran. This is Gautam Karthik. And we are here to present our bot, which is Kiwi. Kiwi is a facial recognition bot. So, why and for with voice commands? Why we chose this is because in facial recognition, there are many problems. We identified one such problem, which is continuous authentication. We solve continuous authentication, which means from the point where you log in till you log out, the bot will always recognize you 24/7, and it will be a huge security benefit for anyone who's using the robot. We have made it mobile because it can monitor events like this very event. It can go around the whole stadium, identify who are the students, who are the participants, and who are unauthorized entries, and it will tell you with the help of a buzzer or etc. So here is my friends Tamil and Gautam will explain the technical side on the robot.
Yeah, the basic motherboard is Raspberry Pi 4 and Arduino Uno is the secondary development board and a motor head driver for driving the motors. This is the base of the project, and we have a four-wheel chassis which can also be converted into six-wheel chassis, and we have a power bank for power and a secondary battery for secondary power, and we use hard cascade classical algorithm for driving the facial recognition. More about that, Gautam will say.
Hair cascade is a classical algorithm which will detect your face using encodings, and we have used it will enable speech recognition after it detects you, and it will use voice command. You can give voice command to control the bot named Kiwi.
So thank you, and this is our project. This is not definitely the peak. We hope to mass manufacture this so that it will be in everyone's house, even as a personal assistant. Thank you very much.